Here we have a 2019 19 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 3.2. Now with this vehicle you do get the 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 20-inch Riviera aftermarket alloy wheels. Now you do get the all-terrain off-road tyres all round. We have the lower bash bar, the Raptor style front grille, you have the carbon fibre look bonnet vent and also the bonnet bar on the front just there. Now we do have the wide arch kit fitted to this vehicle, as you can see, gives it an extra inch or so, makes this car stand out. We have the Team Heco wing deflectors on all the windows. We have the side steps on either side. We have the black window trim and also the privacy glass on the rear. You have the Truckman rear cab there as well. We have your parking sensors, rear reversing camera, tow bar just down there as well. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and really does look superb from every angle. Looking just up there, you see you do have the roof bars there as well. Go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. As you can see, we do have the half leather and half fabric seats throughout, the ISOFIX points pull down arrest and storage pan passenger driver seat with your electric windows on the doors. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now both driver and passenger are fully heated. You have your electric windows, carbon fibre trim, auto lights just down there, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. You have your screen just in the centre with your satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You also have your parking sensors and your rear reversing camera. Dual zone climate control just down there. We can control the heated seat. 2 12-volt connectivities. You have your USBs. Traction control, down here, centre assist, 2-wheel drive height, 4-wheel drive height, and also 4-wheel drive low, and 2 nice size cup holders. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video going through all different specifications that do come with this vehicle. Now it is available to take away today free, contact us nationwide next day delivery. It is HBI clear, comes with a fresh service, and we do offer competitive finance. Thank you very much for watching.